guys, how's everybody doing out there? As you can see, it's snowing again. Gosh, time one leaves, another comes. We got a little operation going on today. We got the boys busting firewood.
In the cold, snow.
It's cold and snowy, ain't it, Rich?
Hey, Dad, this wood we're on now is all tonight.
Pretty nice wood.
Yeah, watch the painted wood. Got a knot in it. That's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, if anybody out there is wondering whether they should buy a 22-ton wood buster, this thing is actually a really, really good wood buster.
It's a good wood buster, he says. He likes it. As long as we don't got a hand bust it, we like it, don't we, Rich?
I like the hand buster. I like doing it by hand. They like the buster, but I like doing it. It's funny.
Boy, it sure is cold today, folks.
Here, Dad, come here. You want to bust one?
Oh, no, I don't show them the sawmill here, Rich.
Bust one on video. Bust it.
Bust it. Hey, Chris, don't let them see me saw a few boards there. Folks, it's cold. We're messing around today. I think that's gonna give it up. Oh, it's about to. Gosh, that's a hard one. Usually they've been the easiest to turn. Finally. Folks, we're gonna go over here on the Cook sawmill. I've already got us a camp made. It's 13 inches, and we'll make some inch lumber. Come on with me. Right there is about 14 inches wide. Boy, it ain't gonna never quit snowing. lumber, ain't it, folks? This is going to be used as flooring in a project that we're doing. You can see how gun barrel straight that is. This is going to be flooring for a project that we're doing. And we'll probably get into some white oak today. I saw a bunch of white oak fence boards too today. So, we're just showing you what we was doing. Busting firewood, sawmilling, farming. This is some of the stuff that we brought in from the woods with the horses that we pulled out with the horses. As y'all see us pulling some of this out. This is some of the wood. Alrighty guys, if you don't care, like and subscribe to us. This is just short video showing what we're getting into today. God bless you all and see you later.